Today at SFC restaurant we cleaned all our scrap and waste materials. Instead of just throwing it away, we decided to turn waste into something meaningful. We sold the scrap and received 700. 100 rupees we gave to the rickshaw man for his hard work. And the remaining 600 we converted into food and donated it to poor people. At SFC restaurant, it's not just about business, it's about responsibility, humanity, and giving back to society. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.